Welcome to Asian International Private School, affiliated to Central Board of Secondary Education, bearing affiliation number 6630041, started in 1988. Our school compound wall is fenced with a height of 9 feet on all sides and gated. Here, let me take you to the admin block. It's important for us to put structures in place to guarantee the safety of our students and staff members. We have installed thermal scanner and a dedicated software to monitor it all time. The temperature of students, staff members, and all the visitors is monitored before they proceed any further from this point. Also, we installed 16 numbers of CCTV operating 24/7 in all vantage points. We pride ourselves on the quality of our school's educational program, the professionalism of its staff, the enthusiasm of its students, and high level of support provided by parents and our beloved management. We are moving into our music room next. The music room is equipped with 30 electronic keyboards. Music is given prime importance as part of the curriculum. Every child is encouraged to learn. Next to our school clinic, we have well-equipped clinic with a nurse with all the primary facilities. We provide basic first aid service for the students whenever required, and parents are kept informed of their health at all times. Moving out, the school has an open-air auditorium which can occupy more than 300 guests at a time. To our playground.
Our playground is of 3,360 square meters. We have a football court, basketball court, and a volleyball court. And also we have indoor games.
We have installed fire extinguishers on all floors and on all blocks, in adherence with the safety guidelines instructed by the Fire and Safety Department. The total build-up area of the school is 3,967 square meter that comprises of classrooms, laboratories, library, staff room, and washrooms. The average area of the classrooms are 51 square meters. We have air-conditioned classroom with proper ventilation and seating arrangements to facilitate students' learning. We have also enabled digitalized learning inside our classrooms. With the school strength of 512 in the classroom student ratio of 1:30, we have adequate number of classrooms for the secondary level. And in addition to this, for the upgradation to senior secondary level, we have sufficient classrooms, well arranged and digitalized. Our drinking water is purified by filter and is regularly changed by the dedicated staff. Now to the washrooms. Our washrooms are clean and hygienic on all the floors, separately for boys and girls.
Science laboratory had distinctive and important role in the science curriculum. Up to last year, we have composite science lab. For upgradation, from this year onwards, we separated composite science lab into physics lab chemistry lab and biology lab. At present, we are in physics lab. Now you can see here a well decorated science labs, physics lab. So as a 2-column, I arranged all the equipments, and according to 11th and 12th curriculum, we have a different branches to study from physics academics. First electricity, magnetism, then it comes to electronics, then classical mechanics, light, etc. So here I arranged all the laboratory apparatus according to activity manner, experimental manner. So in first you can see this is section 4, electricity. Here I arranged with a potentiometer and its components. Then when it comes to the second part, you can see this is setup of Ohm's law it is there. And in third one, this one is for meter bridge. When we are going to opposite side, this is section for magnetism. This is some demo for water turbine model and dynamo model, etc. And there are some magnet like horseshoe magnet, bar magnet, ring magnet, etc. And there is an experiment for student how to perform magnetic field lines around a bar magnet, and you can see ballistic galvanometer also. Now when we are coming to at this end, you can see here in the electronic parts there is some transistor, resistors, capacitors and a Zener diode. Now we can go to this side. This side for classical mechanics, there is a sonometer, then inclined plane, trolley, physical balance, etc. Then we are coming to this side, the middle portion, you can see here, that is simple pendulum section along with the very basic experiment from 11th class, that is vernier caliper, screw gauge, spring balance, etc. And this is set up for Newton's law of cooling effect, and this is for Archimedes principle, that is for grade 9 students. Then at the end, when we are moving to this section, here all the sections are given arranged for optical instrument. There are different experiments we need to perform from grade 12. This is spherometer, this section for prism, how to find out dispersion, that means angle of deviation, and this is for setup of traveling microscope, and this is for optical bench.
Welcome to our biology lab. Today I am going to introduce the biology equipments, our lab materials. Yes, we have the dissection boxes. Here our students are using dissection boxes to dissect our flowers, plant specimens like flowers. Yes, and we are using the dissection microscope. This is the simple microscope. By using the materials, the dissection box items here, forceps, scissors, or we are using this one to dissect the plant specimens like the flowers. Then we are using to observe these specimens by using the microscope. This is the simple microscope. We use compound microscope to observe the specimens like the microbes or else the plant cell, animal cells. Here we have the slides. In our slide box we have the different types of slides. Here we have the specimens. We have plant specimens and animal specimens. Almost 20 animal specimens we are having, and we use this animal specimen to identify the features of animal kingdom and plant kingdom. And we have 10 animal specimens here. They are from different phylum. So the students, they are using this one to identify the features. We have models here, the different models like organ system, the internal organs, models like heart, the kidney, liver, all the models are there here. And we are having the charts, the different charts we are using to explain the organ systems.
Now we are entering the reader's delight zone, library. Our school library aims at creating interest in reading among the students, who gets a variety of resources, book, internet connection. The type of books we have in our school library are fiction, reference books, general knowledge books, language books, level-based reading books, NCRT books, and we have a designated area for reading and the computer with internet connection.